this is San Clemente Inn. We are on the third floor. This is our hallway. Okay. And then you go in. This is 358. So we go in and on your right is the bathroom. Right there. There's one sink. It's only one sink. And they don't have a tub, but they have shower, conditioner, body wash. And we go back in here. And okay, so this one you have the little thing that has your glasses, toaster, and on your right they have a small stove, a dishwasher, and small sink, and they have pots, and they have their utensils, cooking stuff. And then let's see, they have a microwave, and let's see what they have here. Oh, plates. And what's up here? Oh, they still have a lot of bowls in there. And have they have a refrigerator. You can bring your water. Small dining table. Then on this couch, I think this is oh, I'm not sure if you can it's a sleeper sofa, but I don't think so. But and then they have an air conditioned unit right behind the couch. They have a small dining table. There's the TV, and on here they have 2 Murphy beds, but we're not going to use because it's just the 2 of us. So over here are closet space right next to the Murphy bed. There's the beach towels. And on this side, there's another closet. There's 2 closets. There's a lot of closet in here. And this one's Murphy, but I don't want to put it down. It's right there. And then they have a closet. I don't see a safe. They have iron board next to the bathroom. They have a small TV and a dresser, and that's the window. Now we're gonna go to the balcony. This is the 3rd floor, so it has more view than the other floors. I think they only have 3 floors. So now if you go out, this is the balcony right here, and there's also some chairs over there, but then you can see the view. This is your view, and people are barbecuing, and you can actually see right there are some like a nice backyard. There's a patio. You can sit on the patio and gazebo, and then there's miniature golf over there, and then there's the pool. So you can have fun outside, and there's the pool. They have an upscale Mexican restaurant inside the hotel called Exclusive Riviera. Today's Mother's Day. Just 15 minutes walk from the hotel, and we will be on the beach. Nice sound of the waves. If you learned something from this video, please support my channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.